Is a new Instagram AI agent. So I will tell you about this. This is name is Rayona. Okay, you can go and search. So now you do not have to post daily content on your social media platform. This type of agent will post for you. So this is Rayona, and we came to GitHub repository like this. Okay, and we will go to the readme.md file for this. If you want to know about any code base or anything, just read this file. Okay, so Instagram agent is an AI powered automation tool designed for Instagram to automate social media interaction. Okay, posting, liking, and everything. Before using the automate, you can personalize the agent by training with the following, including YouTube video URL, audio file, portfolio, website link, file format supported. Okay, Instagram automation automatically login, post photos, like post, leave thoughtful comment, AI powered content generation. Use Google Generative AI to create engaging caption and comments. Proxy support. Use proxies to manage multiple account. Avoid red list. Okay, Twitter automation coming soon. GitHub automation. So Twitter automation I made previously and I uploaded it on GitHub. You can go and check on my directory. If you want to automate your Twitter with Selenium, you can check it out. And GitHub automation, it's coming soon. I also not worked, so it will be amazing. GitHub automation. Installation process: clone the repository, install dependency, set up an environment variable, rename dot example. So virtual environment क्रिएट करना है, डॉट env बनानी है, इंस्टाग्राम यूजर, IG पासवर्ड, यूजर नेम, mongodb UR. ओके, यूजेस, रन द इंस्टाग्राम एजेंट. ओके, रन, स्टार्ट द ट्विटर. प्रोजेक्ट स्ट्रक्चर पढ़ते हैं. सो बेसिकली प्रोजेक्ट स्ट्रक्चर इज फॉर developer mode. You can also create this type of agent. Okay, if you want to know more about this, you can come and I will explain you everything. So project structures, SRC. So basically in your front end SRC folder you will be getting client, contains the main logic for interacting with the social media platform like Instagram. SRC configuration file including the logger, setup, utils, utility function for handling error, cookies and everything. Agent contains the AI agent logic and training script. Agent training script for the AI agent. SRC schema. ओके, तो database के लिए schema. Test content, test data and script such as example tweets. Logging the project, use a custom logger. Okay, information, warning and error logs are saved in the logs directory. Error handling. So guys, this is the whole new world of AI, and AI agents are handling the full automation of Instagram and other social media profile. So I told you about my Twitter automation, so I will go to my own GitHub and we will check it out, and I will show you. You can get in public directory. So where is my projects? So okay, we go to this, created by me. Okay, so this is different one. So this is Plurb automation. You can check the Twitter automation from here. Okay, and you can check the LinkedIn follow message automation from here. If you want more detail about these automation, you can like comment and I will share the whole detail. So this is the web scrape automation. We scraped the Apollo website for clients. Okay guys, so if you want this type of more information, please follow and connect with Techno Thinkers. Thank you.